Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you and recommend you this practical guide. Name of this book is Plan Maintenance with SAP. It's 4th edition, and I offer this book for all the people from maintenance fair where they are using YS CMMS program SAP. So it means SAP point maintenance, because in this book you can see step-by-step explanation of all critical EAM functions, export technical structure of EAM and its application to business process integration. From my side, if you started with implementation SAP PM, for example, you need to create tree structure, functional locations. After that, you have to need create equipments and sub-equipments. After that, maybe bill of materials. You need to create spare parts material in the warehouse. After that, if you need to create new cost centers, and how to create notifications, how to create work orders, how to create work orders directly from notification. If you need to create special order like repair orders, when you want to use motor hours from the equipment, and create task list and maybe create maintenance plans. All these topics you can find right here in this book, and I think that you have to do what to do if you want to read all the book, because from my side, when I need something, I just find my topic here in the book and I can try use it directly in the system. So this is my recommendation, and if you have any question about this book, and or if you know any questions about SAP PM, please don't hesitate and write a comment, and I'm here for you. So thank you for the questions. As you can see, price of this book is something about €69. It means $69, so very nice. And don't forget to subscribe for the next video. See you, bye. And if you want to buy this book, you can check link below the video. You can buy this book directly from my link. See you.